I'm Frida with WTI, helping you this morning save a little bit of money on coffee. If you guys have an espresso machine, I have a little trick for you. You can buy these foil lids from the company Geesta, and we went ahead and bought the giant industrial size pack because we use these quite a bit. Once I discovered how well they worked, I decided I needed to get enough to last me for about a year. So the way these work is they have this adhesive all the way around it that's really nice and sticky. And so I save my old pods and I cut the old foil lid out, take the coffee grounds out, rinse it out, and just keep it to the side until I'm ready to use it. I have previously bought the kit from Geesta. It makes application a little bit easier. You just line up the little foil tab with the tab on the black base, and it helps line it up a little bit better. But I have just done it by hand before, and you just have to make sure that the adhesive is even all the way around the pod, and then you can just take your fingernail and make sure the adhesion is stuck really well around the edge of the metal rim. You just pop it in your machine, it brews it just like an espresso pod, and it's been a really nice way for us to save a little bit of money in the morning. So if you are looking to try something, the company Geesta makes a very good product. That's why we've bought so many, because these are tried and true for our family. And that's my point of view.